As soon as I saw the big quilt squares, I knew we had arrived at Seems So Easy, a full-service quilt shop located in a small shopping center in Fairfield, Ohio, just north of Cincinnati. Windows line the storefront, with displays tempting you to come inside and get a closer look. Upon entering the shop, you'll notice a sign hanging above a doorway, urging you to go into the next room. Inside was a dream studio, a large showroom filled with sewing machines and cabinets surrounded by beautiful hanging quilts. Walking back into the first room, you'll see an extensive thread collection, perfect for all the embroidery machines they sell. Nearby was an area devoted to notions. Throughout the shop, you'll find samples from all the patterns and books they carry. Wouldn't this be a fun tabletopper to make from these border prints? The store also sells fabric kits that make it easy to replicate some of the quilts on display. You'll find lots and lots of fabric here, from designer prints to batiks to stripes, and all kinds of fabric in between. There's also different size pre-cuts available. I was impressed by all the panels they had for sale. Some of the samples were hanging around the shop, and others were organized in a bin. Feeling overwhelmed by all the choices? There's a sitting area where you can regroup before moving on. Of course, while relaxing, you'll still get a view of the items that the store has to offer. Don't rest too long. You'll want to see where they keep their longarm machine and samples of their quilting designs. A few steps away are two more rooms of fabric, a sale fabric room and another for holiday fabric. I just love all these panels. Nearby is their classroom, where you can take all kinds of classes, not just quilting. Here are some of their class samples. The classroom is perfect for spreading out your machine and fabric. There's also lots of quilts hanging for inspiration. On Tuesdays, folks can sign up for one-on-one help. On the day I visited, they were going over some of the new quilting rulers. You can see that Nancy, the owner, has put together a learning area where you can enjoy your sewing experience. As a matter of fact, the store's motto, "Learning to sew seems so easy," came from a pattern she and a friend made in the early 80s to get the boys in her home ec class interested in sewing. In the spirit of getting more males involved in sewing, and to honor those Cincinnati Bengals making it to the Super Bowl, I've added a link to an easy tabletopper that will look great in any team colors. The best part, there's no points to match. Why not visit Seems So Easy to purchase your fabric for this project, either in person or at their online store. Stay tuned for our next quilting adventure, and don't forget to shop those independent quilt stores. Thanks for visiting LearnHowToQuilt.com. Please share our videos with your friends. Thanks.